How to block or unblock someone on the emo account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on the emo app and want to stop someone from contacting you or maybe give them another chance again, here is how you can easily block or unblock them. First of all, launch open the emo application on your device, and once you're inside, go to the conversation of the person you want to block. Once you're inside their chat section, go to the top left corner and tap on their name. Now, scroll down from this menu and you will see a block option at the bottom. Tap on that. Click on block in the pop-up to confirm the block. And now you have blocked them. You can also go ahead and select the region why you are blocking the person and click on done. After doing so, the contact will be blocked. That person will no longer be able to message or call you. Now, if you've ever thought of unblocking the contact, then from the home page of emo, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. Once you're inside your Me page, tap on Security and Privacy. Inside the Security and Privacy section, tap on Blocked List. Now, you'll be able to see the contacts that you've blocked. Tap the unblock button right next to their contact name in order to unblock them again. Once you unblock the contact, they can connect with you again on emo. Now you can easily control who can or cannot reach you on emo. Stay safe and enjoy chatting with peace of mind. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.